understanding the term reliable. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the term reliable. We are going to delve into what it means, how to use it in sentences, and why it is such an important word to add to your English vocabulary. So, stay tuned and let's get started. The word reliable is an adjective, and it is used to describe someone or something that is consistently good in quality or performance. Someone or something that can be trusted to work well or to behave in a predictable way. When we say that a person is reliable, we mean that they are dependable and we can count on them to do what they say they will do. Similarly, when we say that a product is reliable, we mean that it performs its function consistently and effectively. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use reliable in sentences. 1. She is a reliable worker, always finishing her tasks on time and with great attention to detail. Here, reliable describes a person's work ethic. 2. My old car is still reliable, even after all these years. In this sentence, reliable describes an object's performance. 3. You need reliable information to make a good decision. Here, reliable is used to describe the quality of information. These examples show that reliable can be used in different contexts to describe various subjects. Being reliable is an important quality in both personal and professional settings. When people know that they can rely on you, it builds trust. This trust can lead to stronger relationships, better teamwork, and more successful outcomes in whatever you do. On the other hand, if you are not reliable, it can lead to mistrust, missed opportunities, and damaged relationships. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the word reliable. We hope that this video has helped clarify its meaning and shown you how important it is to be reliable in all areas of life. Remember, being reliable builds trust, and trust is the foundation of all strong relationships. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.